Keto Lemon Zucchini Bread. Imagine biting into a slice of bread that's light, moist, and bursting with a zesty lemon flavor, all while being completely keto-friendly. Sounds too good to be true? Meet Keto Lemon Zucchini Bread, the perfect combination of fresh, tangy lemon and the subtle sweetness of zucchini. Why is Keto Lemon Zucchini Bread such a game changer? It all starts with the unique blend of ingredients. Almond flour and coconut flour provide a low-carb base that's both light and tender. The zucchini, finely grated and folded into the batter, adds moisture and a hint of natural sweetness, while also sneaking in some extra veggies. And let's not forget the star of the show, fresh lemon juice and zest. The lemon adds a bright, refreshing flavor that cuts through the richness of the bread, making it the perfect treat for any time of day. But it's not just about the flavor. This bread is packed with benefits that make it an excellent choice for anyone on a ketogenic diet. Each slice is low in carbs, high in fiber, and full of healthy fats from the almond and coconut flours. Plus, the zucchini adds a boost of vitamins and minerals, making this not only a delicious treat but a nutritious one too. It's a bread you can feel good about eating, whether you're enjoying it as a quick breakfast, an afternoon snack, or even a light dessert. Now, here's where it gets even better. Keto Lemon Zucchini Bread is incredibly versatile. You can keep it simple and enjoy it plain, or you can jazz it up with some sugar-free glaze made from powdered erythritol and a bit of lemon juice for an extra zing. If you're feeling a bit more indulgent, try adding a handful of poppy seeds or a few blueberries for a fun twist that adds both texture and flavor. Ready to make your own Keto Lemon Zucchini Bread? Here's a pro tip. Make sure to squeeze as much moisture as possible out of the zucchini before adding it to the batter. This will prevent your bread from becoming too dense and ensure it has that perfect light and fluffy texture. Also, don't overmix the batter. A gentle hand is key to keeping the bread tender. Have you tried Keto Lemon Zucchini Bread yet? Share your thoughts and any tweaks you've made in the comments.